Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about how to turn on the assistive touch home screen. So first of all you need to go to the settings and then try to find the accessibility. Here accessibility, and then touch, click touch. Here touch, and then you can see in the first option you can see assistive touch, so it's already turned off. So you can see here, so then you can enable this option, and then you see here, so this is the your assistive touch home screen. So you can go to the, using this option you can go to the home and also device. So you can access everything. You can see here, see volume up and rotate, stop rotation screen, and also you can have screenshot also. You can take a screenshot also using these options. You see, this actually is a shortcut to access some valuable thing in iPhone. So that is the so you can see also home screen. You can go to home screen also. So that is the advantage of this option. So I hope you get you understand how I did this one. So hopefully we will see another video in later. Thank you very much.